So late last year, we planted our potatoes, and this was just a trial portion where we planted, I think, were they five potatoes, which I had gotten from my kitchen. So we grew that late last year, and these are the fruits of that what we planted. It was just a small trial to see if the soil is good enough for potatoes, and I'm quite encouraged with what we've gotten so far, or what we've harvested so far. So I think it's something that can be done. Even though for me to harvest like big sacks, or have a good return on potatoes, I might need to do it on a bigger acreage. So I'm not trying potatoes again on the drips, and maybe this is just a project that I can do during the rain season, when I don't want to plant corn. I can just have my potatoes there. So the weather is quite okay for potato planting. Uh, even though I didn't even know the variety that I planted, and it was not an F1 variety, but it has done quite amazing. So we are going to eat this for for our dinner today. Maybe just have like roasted potato, like you just wash them up, and you don't skin them, and you just put them, apply virgin oil and some butter, and put them in the oven for dinner, or for dinner, for salad. Yeah, so this I'm just putting this video out there to tell you that when you have good soil, good crop management, you can grow anything that you want. And of course, the big essential thing is having water. So we've been able to grow this in a dry area, where potatoes are not something that people grow because of the dryness of the area. But because we have water and good crop management, I think they did amazingly well. Um, and therefore, I think, just to encourage you, that you can plant anything that you want. In your small farm, you can do potatoes, you can do your vegetables, you can do carrots, anything that you want. The only step that you need to take is to start with what you have, and to grow each day as you learn your mistakes, and as you understand what your soil, or your soil. So this is us just harvesting potatoes today, and being encouraged that it's something that can happen, and you don't need to think too much about it. I would be interested to know if you've done potatoes before. What varieties did you plant, and what variety do you think I can do next time? And more so, where can I get the seeds or the cuttings for potato? Because I just took this out of my kitchen, so they may not have been the ideal variety, and maybe I would have done better if I knew where to get them, to get the good cuttings, or the good variety of potatoes. And thank you so much for tuning in. This is Movie Farm, where we grow our own food. In the coming months, I would like to plant potatoes, but I plant them in containers or sacks. So I'll be watching out for you to give me where I can get the seeds, and I'm going to plant, or I'm going to show you how to grow how to grow potatoes in containers. I think they will do very well in a container, and not on the drip irrigation. Let me know what you think. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you are a returning viewer, we thank you and we appreciate you.